When Daredevil walks into court to defend his newest client, Spider-Man suddenly stands up and pleads not guilty. The judge then asks Matt how much bail he'd post if Spider-Man got locked up, and Daredevil casually says $2 million. Peter thanks him, while the accuser, Chris Dingus, complains that it's unfair for Spider-Man to stay masked in court because nobody can even prove they're putting the right guy on trial. Suddenly, another attorney named Matthew Dowd enters the courtroom backing Dingus and tells the judge he already filed paperwork to legally force Spider-Man to unmask. Peter mutters that his life somehow keeps getting worse, which is impressive considering his writers already hate him. Dingus argues that superhero registration laws say heroes must reveal their identities to authorities if they're connected to a crime. Dowd agrees and says if Spider-Man smashed his client's car, then they deserve to know exactly who was behind the mask. Daredevil realizes they actually have a point and reluctantly asks the court for a 24-hour recess so he can prepare a defense. Peter panics and asks Matt if he's seriously going to let them expose him after surviving people like Dr. Doom, Venom, and editorial decisions. But Matt ignores him and simply says he's going to find the real Spider-Man. The next day, they return to court and Daredevil suddenly starts talking like Saul Goodman, admitting Dowd's logic makes sense, except there's still zero proof that Peter Parker was actually the Spider-Man driving that car. Suddenly, multiple Spider-Men begin swinging around the courtroom, revealing a bunch of heroes owed Matt favors and dressed up as Spidey. Matt explains that even if his client unmasks, it proves absolutely nothing because nobody could know which Spider-Man was driving that day. The judge sides with Daredevil, the charges get dropped, and Peter thanks Matt afterward. Matt just smiles and says he's a really good lawyer before walking away like my dad.